What's a good recipe for dinner? I've got chicken and veggies.
One delicious and easy recipe for chicken and veggies is stir-fry. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, sliced into thin strips. 1 red bell pepper, sliced. 1 yellow bell pepper, sliced. 1 small onion, sliced.
Sounds easy. Any tips for keeping the veggies crisp?
Sure, here are a few tips to keep your veggies crisp. 1. Rinse and dry the vegetables thoroughly before cutting them. This will remove any excess moisture that can cause them to become soggy. 2. Cut the vegetables into similar-sized pieces to ensure even cooking. This will also help them cook at the same rate, preventing some pieces from becoming overcooked while others are still crisp.